If you're searching for the best landing page software, you've probably come across Instapage and Builderall. But which one is actually worth your time and money? In this video, I'll break down the pros, the cons, and the hidden details you need to know. Plus, at the end, I'll share the best alternative I've personally tested that gives you way more value. First up, Instapage is known for its sleek and powerful landing page builder. The drag and drop editor is smooth, and the pre-designed templates look professional. If you're running paid ads and need high-converting landing pages, Instapage does an amazing job with A/B testing, heat maps, and real-time analytics. But here's the catch, it's expensive. At over $200 a month, it's one of the priciest options out there. And while the features are great, they're mainly for businesses with big advertising budgets. Next thing, Builderall. It's marketed as an all-in-one marketing platform, offering not just a landing page builder, but also email marketing, chatbots, webinar hosting, and even a funnel builder. On paper, it sounds like the perfect deal. But in reality, the interface feels clunky and the learning curve is steep. The landing page builder isn't as refined as Instapage, and sometimes pages don't look exactly how you designed them. It's cheaper, yes, but you sacrifice some polish and reliability. The third thing, ease of use. Instapage is incredibly intuitive. You can build and launch a page quickly, and everything just works. Builderall, on the other hand, can be overwhelming. With so many tools jammed into one platform, it's not the most user-friendly experience. If you're new to landing pages, expect a learning curve with Builderall. The fourth thing, pricing. Instapage is clearly aimed at businesses with bigger budgets. It's powerful but expensive. Builderall is much cheaper, offering multiple plans, but some of the lower tier plans come with limitations that force you to upgrade. If budget is your main concern, Builderall wins, but if you want high-end performance, Instapage is the better tool. So, which one is the best? If you need a high-performance, conversion-focused landing page builder and don't mind the cost, Instapage is solid. If you want an all-in-one marketing tool and are okay with a steeper learning curve, Builderall has more features for less money. But here's the thing, after testing all of them, I found an even better alternative. It gives you the best of both worlds, powerful, high-converting landing pages without the crazy price tag. If you're serious about growing your business and want the best free trial with exclusive benefits, check out the first link in the description.